So the thing I really worry about on bond markets is, okay, we have, call it $1.6 to $2 trillion in debt every single year in this country getting added to the national debt. And the only thing that really makes that serviceable is that interest rates are still pretty low, right? They're about 4.5%, right? Now, if interest rates go to 8%, and you're actually spending way more to service the debt than you are on actual like goods, services, and infrastructure for your country, like that can become a huge spiral that could take down the finances of this country. We've never had that in 200 plus years of being an American republic. We've never had a true debt spiral in this country. So I really worry about, do the bond markets, do the international investors, the people who are getting rich off of globalization, the people who have gotten rich from shipping our manufacturing base to China, the people who've gotten rich from a lot of wars, do they try to take down the Trump presidency by spiking bond rates? And one of the things that I think a lot about, and I talk to the president about this a lot, is when we think about who we're choosing as Treasury Secretary, one of the things the president, of course, it's his choice ultimately, is we've got to find the guy who's going to make sure that we can manage this country through a real time of crisis where we get the country's finances back on track. That is one of the ways they could take down Donald Trump. But if Trump wins, it's not just going to be smooth sailing for 4 years. They're going to do everything that they can to take down his presidency.
So the key number is that interest rate.
I think that's probably the most important and the most impactful way they could try to take down his presidency is by spiking the interest rates. But it would be devastating to the president if you had this bond market death spiral. And that's one of the things we're going to have to fight against when we win. And again, I think we're going to win.
How do you prevent your opponents from spiking those rates?
And so I think you have to staff the Treasury Department with the right kind of people who could manage various fiscal problems.